Here are 3 good reasons to choose Vejle. In Vejle you get to experience Danish hygge firsthand. In Vejle we have a large selection of family activities you can do. In Vejle we have beautiful nature and exciting history.
There is a lot of historical places in Vejle for people of every size. For example, we have Ravningbro, Vejle Museums and a pedestrian street. For the children we have Skærup Zoo, the Gorilla Park, Lido Cinemas and the Beats Albuen.
There is a lot to experience in the nature of Vejle. For example, we got the Maria Park, Skyttehuset, Gorilla Parken and Hærvejen. All those places are amazing to look at. It's like a delight for the eye. It is very enjoyable to be in this environment and the surroundings.
Danish culture is all about coziness, or hygge as we call it. Danes like to spend time with each other, for example by taking a stroll down the long pedestrian street or by visiting one of our many cafes.